everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a deep cleaning, spring cleaning of my laundry room. This is an area of my home that gets a lot of use and needs to have a good spring cleaning every year. So I put together a list of everything that needs to be done in my laundry room, and I'm going to share that list with you right now. Basically, I need to clean my ceiling fans and wash the walls and ceilings just to make sure I get all the cobwebs out of here. Clean the windows, clean the dogs' dishes and kennels. My dogs do sleep in my laundry room, and we do feed them in my laundry room as well. And clean under the washer and dryer. These get a little gunky and grimy and dusty underneath, so that needs a good deep clean. I'm going to give myself about an hour. It might take a little longer just depending on the gunk and grime, and hopefully I can accomplish all these things. If you love spring cleaning videos, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my spring cleaning videos. So I hope you enjoyed this spring cleaning video. If hopefully I got you inspired to spring clean your laundry room out. If there's any areas in your laundry room that you like to deep clean or spring clean, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to include those on my list. And remember to hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up because I'll continue to keep doing these spring cleaning and deep cleaning videos for you. Until I see you guys soon, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. So long.